Hello children, good morning all of you. Welcome to Narayana live classes explanation for assignment on 7th dated for class 6th. Concept is on prime factorization. So children, today we are going to discuss, it is a kind of MCQs, first Roman and second Roman, 5 blanks. So it is together 20 minutes duration with the 10 marks. So first Roman, first question. So which of the following shows the prime factorization of 24? So children, let us take 24. Let us take 24 and express 24 as a product of prime factors. So 24 divisible by 2 12 times and 12 divisible by 2 6 times. And 6 divisible by 2 3 times. As 3 is the prime number, this is the conclusion of prime factorization. So 24 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So it is available in second option. It is available in second option, children. And coming back to second question, which of the following shows prime factorization of 45? If you consider 45, let us recall the divisibility rules. As 45 is not divisible by 2, our next prime number is 3. So 45 divisible by 3 15 times, and again 15 divisible by 3 5 times. As 5 is prime number, our process is completed. So 3 into 3 into 5. So children, it is available in third option, C option. Similarly, if you go through the third question, children, which of the following shows the prime factorization of 50? If you take 50, again let us go through the prime factors for 50, and it is divisible by 2 25 times, and 25 divisible by 5 times. So as 5 is prime number, so this is the conclusion of prime factorization for 50. So 2 into 5 into 5. So this is expressing as the product of prime factors, but it is not available in the among the given options. So if you express base exponent form, 2 raised one time but 5 raised itself 2 times. So 2 into 5 square. So children, it is available at first option. It is available at first option. So our fourth question, which of the following shows the prime factorization of 64? If you go through the 64 divisible by 2 32 times, and 32 divisible by 2 16 times, and 16 divisible by 2 8 times, and 8 is divisible by 2 4 times, and 4 is divisible by 2 2 times. As 2 is prime number, our prime factorization is completed. So if you go through the 2 into 2 into 2 into in such a way, but it is not available in the among the 4 options. So 2 raised itself how many times? Let us have a count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 raised itself 6 times. So 2 power 6 is available in fourth option, my dear children. So if you go through the fifth question, again which of the following shows the prime factorization of 36? If you consider the 36, it is divisible by 2 18 times, and 18 divisible by 2 9 times, and 9 divisible by 3 3 times. As the 3 is prime number, our process of expressing the given number as a product of prime factorization is completed. So 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So here if you verify, it is available in 2 raised 2 times and 3 raised 2 times. So this is available in fourth option. Still, if you want to express as base exponent form, it is available in such a way, 2 square into 3 square, of course. And our next Roman children, 5 blanks we have. And if you observe the question number 6, a number having 2 factors, 1 and itself are called dash. A natural number having 2 distinct factors distinct means different. A natural number having 2 distinct factors, then the number is called prime number. Then the number is called prime number. That is 1 and itself. Whenever you consider any prime, say for example 5, 5 can be expressed as a product of 2 numbers, that is 1 and the number itself only. So a number having 2 factors, that is 1 and itself, are called prime number, and that prime number 100% must have distinct factors. Distinct means different factors. And then prime factors of 12. What are the prime factors of 12? Children, let us try to write the factors of 12. If you go through the 12, we can express as many ways as possible as the product of 2 numbers. Let us see with the first natural number 1 into 12, and the next natural number 2 raised 6 times, and the next natural number 3 raised 4 times. As 3 after next immediate natural number is 4, the process of searching factors for the given number is completed. So if you write all the factors of 12, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are all factors of 12. Among all factors, what are the prime factors they are asking? So this is neither prime nor composite. Then 2 is a prime number, and 3 is a prime number, and 4 is a composite, 6 is a composite, 12 is a composite. So among the factors of 12, only 2 and 3 are only the factors of prime factors of 12. Among all factors, prime factors of 12 are 2 and 3 only. And our next question, dash is an even prime number. If you consider the set of prime numbers, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 and so on. Out of all prime numbers except 2, remaining all are odd numbers. These are all odd primes. It is only even prime. So which is even prime number? 2 is even prime number. So for question number 8, 2 is even prime. This is the answer. And our next question, children, number of even primes. As we consider two is even prime, we have only one number which is even. in the set of prime numbers, we have only one number which is nothing but 2, which is even. So number of even primes means it is only 1. Number of even primes is only 1. As we have 2 only even prime number of even primes is 1 only. And from this concept, if you go through this, 10th question and last one, all prime numbers are dash except dash. So what are the prime numbers? If you see the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 and so on. So all prime numbers are odd. This is the answer for first blank in the 10th question. All the prime numbers are odd except 2. Except 2, because 2 is even prime. So except 2, remaining all are odd primes only. So all prime numbers are odd except 2. So this is the explanation for 7th dated 6th class assignment, children. So have a nice day and keep working. Thank you.